In today's video, we'll be going over how to create a VNC desktop streamer session just so you can display your content from, say, a Windows PC directly onto your Userful video wall. So to begin, you want to click New Source. You want to select it. In this case, it's actually called Desktop Streamer right here. And you want to give it a name. So we'll just say VNC. Now, you need the server IP address, which in this case is 192.168.43.67. And you'll need the password, and we'll just put Userful. Now, view mode only means you can see the content on the stream, but that's it. You cannot, use the mouse and keyboard. If you desire or if you need to use the mouse and keyboard, please disable view mode only. Once again, if you do not need to use the mouse and keyboard, just enable it. Finally, hit OK, and then you'll notice the source has appeared down here. Move your video wall into the source, click Apply. That concludes today's video. For additional questions or concerns, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.